Just for funsies, we're gonna do a little side-by-side comparison of the SmartDevil versus the Torras 360-degree rotating magnetic kickstand cases. I don't have for the same model, so this is the 17 Pro and this is the 16, but basically, look-wise, they are very, very similar. Like almost the same thing. The SmartDevil over here has a slightly bigger lip to protect the camera lenses. Maybe? They both have the buttons covered. This one is open. Those buttons are covered. The Torras ones are like a little shinier. Ooh, SmartDevil has a precision cutout, so it's gonna help keep a little bit cleaner. Kickstands, boom. Smooth on the SmartDevil. And here's the Torras. Smooth rotation, completely the same. And the same for both of them. When you're rotating the kickstand, nothing is moving on the inside. So both of these cases are gonna protect your phone from scratching. This is the Torras, SmartDevil. It looks like Torras angles slightly more back, just ever so slightly. Looking inside, like exactly, it looks exactly the same, it feels exactly the same. The magnet on the inside. Yeah, oh my gosh, like, I mean, I really can't say there's a winner here. I guess I'd say whichever one has the best price point. They're very, very comparable.